Hello everyone, this is Jane. Today is the first day of the February in 2021, and I'm going to show you the first snowstorm in east coast of the United States. Actually, 4 days ago, and everybody already aware, there's going to be the monster winter storm pounding the northeast in the United States. And it could dump up to 18 inches on New York City and New Jersey. Forecast it all says the snowstorm will start from Sunday afternoon until Tuesday evening. So this caused a lot of people went to the supermarket, including the Costco's, on Sunday afternoon. Like I showed the previous video, and everybody says in Costco, there are many people in there, and they just grab the food and grab the supplies and prepare this storm. In New Jersey, Governor Phil Murphy encouraged the residents to stay home during the storms. And expected to be real bad. So today and tomorrow we're gonna stay at home and just watch the storm. The state previously also announced on Sunday that most transit and all of the 6 mega vaccination sites would be closed during the weather. And the governor also announced 3,656 new COVID-19 cases and 34 additional deaths on Monday. So the state has administered just under 800,000 vaccinations as of today. So let's see how much snow we got today. So from our front door, and when we opened the door, I was so surprised. We used to measure, and the tape measure, and it's already almost reached to 20 inches. So this is the garage door, the same, almost 20 inches. And this is the backyard, the same. And also the snow covered everything, and even buried our cars. So it's very bad. So currently it's still snowing, and we just get an update from the forecast. It says the northeastern part of the state could get hit the hardest with more than 20 inches of the snow for those densely populated areas.